loves, Lexie here. I am in a super good mood today. It feels like every time I'm in a really good mood, I change my personality entirely. Today we're actually going to be doing a little bit of a complexion kit. You guys recently saw me haul the Bellapierre complexion kit. Comes with a foundation, which looks way too dark for me. A concealer, which is like really light. So, I mean, I don't know. I hope they balance each other out because I want to be looking like a snack. So, yeah. Then we have some banana powder, which, you know, can't go wrong with my banana boo right here. And we have some foundation poofy thing. Beauty blender. There you go. But this one is by Bellapierre, and I wet it, and it didn't grow, like, at all. But it's really squishy, so keeping my hopes up just a little bit. I didn't grab a mirror. Who was I thinking that I'm going to do a makeup video without a mirror? I am back with my mirror. Dirty? Yes. Worth it? Yes. Okay, this is actually my grandma's mirror, so if you're, like, where is your old mirror? Well, R.I.P. Penelope, she broke, so, I just looked at her too long, and then I was so ugly, the mirror just went, and there you go, it's gone. So now we're gonna use my grandma's because, I don't know, it's already ugly, so it's used to seeing that, right? So, hair is back, you know, we got that bun. Yes. I'm gonna prime my face a little bit with some tea tree, primer. Go ahead and get into this, so. This is our foundation stick, and as you can see, honey, that's not my color. You also get quite a bit of product, I feel like. I don't know how much cream foundations actually last, because, like, I've never dealt with one before, but this doesn't look too bad for product-wise. So I'm just gonna put some stripes on my face. Oh, dang. Okay. Okay, so this is very yellow. And you know, I always talk about how I got them yellow undertones. I don't think it's this yellow, so let's see if this actually blends out with the beauty blender. Okay, I feel like when you blend it, the coverage goes away. After blending for like 20 minutes, this is the finished look. I feel like it didn't do anything, so we're just going to add a little bit more, give it the benefit of a doubt around my chin and my cheeks. It's because my acne is just so bad today. Like, honestly, it is pretty bad. This is such a bad color match. That covered up a little bit better. This is how much of the cream stick is left, so I think this is probably going to last you a while, but I don't think I'm going to be using it, so. I mean, I might use it. You know what? Let's try it on my eyes. Let's see if it's like a good base for your eyes, because it's very drying though, so I don't know. Okay, so this is probably going to be something I use every day as like an eyeshadow base, because this is actually really nice. It's covering up most of my veins, so. So, my review so far of the foundation stick. Definitely don't use this if you have a lot of pimples, and only use it if you have a darker olive tone skin tone, because I'm pale and this looks pretty bad on me. Why I'm saying don't use this if you have pimples, because it has like no coverage to it, but that's why we got a concealer. Another thing to say about this is it's very drying, like on my forehead it's flaking up, like it's really drying, so I don't know what's going on there, because I actually put a primer on and everything that was supposed to moisturize and pore minimize, and this it just made me look like a little cracked Sahara desert, you know? Like, I do not look good right now. So let's try out this concealer stick, because it might just have some better benefits, right? Because look how light this is. I'm hoping the best. So I'm going to put this down my nose, a little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my chin, and all over my eyes, and touch up some pimples here and there. So this is going everywhere. I'm hoping it helps me a lot, so. That is so creamy. Do you like my Wonder Woman? So this is the finished look, guys. How do you think about, no, I'm kidding, we're going to blend this out. So let's work on my Wonder Woman W. So this is the concealer all blended out. I'm not mad at it. It does do a little bit of brightening, but it kind of smells bad. Like, it kind of smells like It smells like something in it has gone bad. I smelled that when I started putting it on the pimples down here, because it's like up towards my nose, and I was like, ugh, she nasty. So, I'm sorry, Bellapierre, but so far I have found 2 products of yours that I do not like. The bad thing about it is this is the fairest option they had for their complexion kit, and it still isn't working for us white girls. Like, look, no correlation whatsoever. But their banana powder might be pretty good, so let's go ahead and give that a whirl. Oh yes. So I have my e.l.f. kabuki here, and I'm just going to put it in that banana powder, pick it up, and pack it on my under eyes for a second. Oh, I actually really like this powder. It's a little too yellow, so I definitely only use it on my under eyes to brighten. But other than that, I really like this powder. It's very finely milled. I don't know if you can see how finely milled it is, but yeah, it's very finely milled, so it goes on really nice, and it leaves like a super smooth finish, and I absolutely love it. But I do not like this foundation stick. I've never used a foundation stick before, so I hope not all of them are like this. I also really do not like that concealer. I mean, it's brightening, pretty nice, but it smells bad. It doesn't smell that nice. And it's just a little too yellow. But this I might use as an eyeshadow base because it actually didn't do too bad of a job, and it's not creasing up on my eyeballs, so I think we're doing pretty good for that. So I am not even going to finish my makeup because I'm just going to go ahead and wash this off and then do a couple other videos. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I know I look pretty bad, but you know, pretty hurts, right? Okay guys, I am going to go ahead and go right into our subscriber shout out. I'm really sorry, Bellapierre. I really love your products. I'm actually about to do another review on a product of yours that I absolutely love, but as for this complexion kit, I just do not like it. I'm really sorry. I hope you can work on it. I don't know if the one I got was just bad or something. Like, I know it's mineral makeup and it goes bad, but please don't hate me for not liking your products. I promise there's plenty of others that I absolutely love. These 2 products right behind me right now, they're both Bellapierre, so just in case you're watching, don't feel too offended, okay? It's just one product, so. Today's subscriber shout out goes to a very new channel out there. They do not have many subscribers. They have 19, but you should definitely check them out. They are Carla and Kelly. They're 2 very young girls, at least they seem very young to me, and they're just getting into makeup, and they want to share with the world, have and stuff, and so this is what their channel looks like. They got Carla and Kelly right there. So they kind of alternate days that they post, but as you can see, they're pretty skilled, you know. I actually watched their makeup collections. They both have both of theirs up. Carla posts on Monday and Fridays, and Kelly posts Wednesdays and Sundays. So if you ever want to check somebody new out, go ahead and check them out. I will link them in my description box and in the first comment on the video down below, so go ahead and hit that up. Ladies, thank you so much for subscribing to me, supporting me, and commenting on my video and watching them and loving what you see. So you guys brighten my day, and I hope you do become successful YouTubers, because I know how hard it is to get started, because I'm still in that little getting started thing. Like, I'm definitely not up there at all, so I'm just trying to stay humble. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry I didn't finish my face, but I promise in the next couple videos you will see a beautiful face. So yes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment down below what you like from the video. Okay, I love you guys so much. Bye!